Now let's play a little bit with parts for cables. That's a pretty straightforward thing to do when you have cables, when you have nice database of cables. Now let's go to cable navigator. So since this one is an external function, you cannot see it in the navigator. Since it is not really a part of our project, our scope of delivery and so on. It's just let me just show you how. So now you see it. Back to external. As said, let's assign some parts. So these are basically the same. Cables. Well, that's it. Let's just adjust this a little bit. There you have it. Next one. Let's move this a little bit to the right. That's it. So connection designation, or in this case, polar number of the conductor differs from the one in the reality. So let's assign these two real ones. Now for the signal cables, go to graphic. For a signal cable, let's use a nice cable for control signals. This one. 180. Let's see what happens. So to type, okay, looks better. Also for the voltage, 180. That's it. Now we have to assign some conductors. Let's just do that. This is the cross section. If you don't want, if you can either delete that or set it as invisible. Cross section, let's say it's going to be invisible, and yes, that's it. For the second cable, 4 times, pretty much the same thing. Now just let's copy the format, this display format. Before that, let's also set this one to 180. That looks nicer. So let's copy this format and paste it to every other in the navigator. Third one, let's see what we get now. So the smaller ones. Second cable. Let's assign some conductors. Second. Now let's also copy and paste the format to get this cross section visible. So let's copy format for this one to the second cable. Okay. It's basically the same cable as this one, so let's just copy that one. Right here. Part number. The format already pasted. Same thing with conductors. Assign them. 6th, 7th, we don't have the 7th, so let's just copy terminals and let's say we want to also use the last wire just to put it on the terminal. Assign. Paste the format from the get them invisible, and let's renumber our terminals. 7. That's it. The same part number. Assign some conductors. This is what happens in real life. You have a lot of things you have to do. A lot of time. So if you have 20 cables, you have to do that for 20 cables. Also for you, an exercise. What does it mean to design in the real life? This one is okay. But last two, these are the cables of our temperature measurements, and I already demonstrated how to work with the shields, and we already worked with our cables and so on. So this is the cable. Nice instrumentation cable, very high quality. Wires, shield, and everything. So looks nice. So that's about it for the cables. Assigning parts to them and keeping attention to some certain things about them.